What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, nice to have you here today. It's another day with FelloF. So during London session like this, what we do is we check out what we already have running, okay, or what we want to take as trades. You remember during New York session, we'll be having some chart breakdown, like I'll be teaching you guys how to catch good opportunities, how to trade, okay? Because I discovered there are so many beginners watching me, and I really like to see you guys do well. So I create time to actually educate you guys on how to trade. So during New York session, that's what we'll be doing. And now there's London session, let's break it down. And for all those who want to be part of my free community, let me just add the link in the comment section. And the links are in the description, okay? So it's not like it's only through the comment section you can get it. For those who will be watching later, you can check the description. You see all the links to connect with me. You'll see even the number you can connect with us on WhatsApp. So maybe you're interested to be part of our upcoming program this July, then you'll be able to do that through the WhatsApp number. So just write the WhatsApp number and tell us you met us on YouTube and you are interested to be part of our free program this month, and you have access. Okay, the same number is in the comment section. Let me put it. So that being said, I welcome everyone who will be joining us even later. And do not forget to show some love by subscribing, because you subscribing to the channel goes a long way to help us, makes us to know that what we are giving is really helping somebody. Okay. Okay, so on our charts, we have GBP USD. Okay, we have GBP USD, and something has been going on GBP USD. And selling GBP USD since last, sell all the way up here. So let me just show you exactly what's going on, what we've been doing. This pair, this was this week. So last week, this was our first entry. Why did we enter? Let me make you see it. So those who know me, you understand that I trade golden zones. I have a zone I consider golden zones, okay? So this was our golden zone. We expected price to pull back into this area. Price did. So we said price, we had this first level, the first blue line. We anticipated and hoped that price should not take it out, but price did took it out. But thank God our stop loss was a few pips above. We almost got stopped out, but we did not. And now this is the result, okay? We are currently in profit. I have these positions running like right now, okay? Then yesterday, the start of a new week, we anticipated during our morning breakdown that after this gap, price had a potential to pull back up because we had an internal change of character. So if you go down, this is the 4 hours, right? If you go down to the 1 hour, you realize that this was a swing low that was created during an uptrend. Let me mark it out so you can understand exactly why. So if you notice here, we're creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What happened? Price failed to create a higher high here. It rather created a lower high and did what? Created a lower low. Created a new lower high, and what happened? It came down, created a lower low, taking out this low. So I thought, all right, price will not just go down randomly. At least price will give us a pullback anywhere between this area. That's why we had this arrow marked out. Okay. And what happened? Price actually did exactly what we anticipated. And now we are currently moving. So this morning, this is exactly what we're looking for price to give us this pullback, and then we continue to the downside if it has to continue. All right. So right now, as we speak, this is what price is doing. Okay. So personally, I'm already in. Okay. I just took a short position here. So you can place your stop loss here or wherever. Okay. And then target somewhere down here. So if you want to be more conservative, you wait until you get a confirmation, then you can sell and hope to make profits. So that's what we have going on right now on GBP USD. Okay. So this is what we are looking at on GBP USD. Okay. Let me even yeah. So if you're selling now, it's not bad. You are not late and you're not too early. But know that we have not gotten a good confirmation yet. Okay, this is an aggressive entry, which is still very okay. Okay, it's still very, very okay. So that being said, what else are we looking for? Let's move to the next pair and keep watching how our pairs are playing out. But before we do that, let me tell my guys too. So let me also share the live stream. So for those joining us for the very first time, show some love by subscribing. All right, guys. So I'm trying to share the live stream. Do the same from your end, please. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. So this is it on GBP. USD. Okay, we had a buy, a sell yesterday. So this is more like scaling in. Okay, this is more like scaling in. So if you took the sales yesterday and you don't feel really that you don't feel that comfortable, you don't really feel comfortable, yeah, scaling in is very okay. You can just let your trades play out. You can just watch and see how your trades play out. Okay. Okay, now let's continue going. This is AUD USD. I don't know. I watched a video the other day where Cubanks and Swahili were having a conversation, and Cubanks called GBP AUD USD slow money. I thought he was just calling, man, for real, this thing is slow money. I've been holding this trade since last week before last, since the 26th of June. We are already on the 14th. So this is crazy. I never expected this. But it is what it is. And there's nothing I can do right now. I'm already in. And when I get in, I'm in. Yeah, though I might not take full tipping. Yeah, once you give me 1:2, I'll accept the profit and go. Welcome to those joining us now. Nice to have you here. Tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Let's know. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, show some love by subscribing, guys. Okay, that being said, for those just joining us, let me take you back to where we were so that you should see exactly what we are doing. So we're looking at the GBP USD trade we took yesterday, and today we are seeing an opportunity to scale in, which I have just announced that those who want to scale in should scale in now. All right. So if you were not there yesterday and maybe you want to take a trade now, you can sell GBP USD. Okay. You can sell GBP USD. It's aggressive, but it's worth it. So risk only what you can afford to lose. Don't go in full margin because maybe FelloF shared a signal and you feel like, oh, it's gonna hit TB. It's not a must. It can still stop you out. Okay. So this is AJ, AUD JPY. We are waiting for price to pull up to the zone for us to have a sell, right? So this is one of the pairs we had over the weekend, and we are watching to see how it reacts from our entry point. Okay. As for NZD USD, it decided not to pull back and give us a good entry, so it's moving on. It's moving away without us, which is very okay. We accept it. It's the reality. There's the trade on GJ. I told you guys I wasn't going to take it because I wasn't comfortable with GJ because of the golden zone that we see down here that wasn't tapped into. I felt like if I enter here, price might decide to pull back and tap into the golden zone before moving. So I rather prefer not to. So do you think it was a good decision? Okay. Now, this is GBP AUD, and GBP AUD is giving us these sales. All right, we saw the sales yesterday, but the reason we did not take it is simple. Overall, we are bullish, and we rather die following the trend than try to catch every move and end up losing what we're not supposed to lose. So I feel more pain losing when I'm trading counter trend than when I'm following the trend. That's why you see I decided not to take this sell and prefer to wait for this buy opportunity that might be validating by Friday or maybe Monday next week. Okay, so I'd rather wait patiently to see. So that's it for GBP AUD. We are still waiting for our confirmation. Then this is AUD CHF. We were waiting for price to pull up to this one for us to sell yesterday, and finally price has done that, and we are currently in the trade. I'm in this trade right now as we speak. Okay, so I've also shared the trade. So if you're not part of my free Telegram community, I think you're missing a lot. I share the trade already on Telegram. So I believe who are in the channel, the description section, you'll see so many links. The first one is to join the community. That's the free community on Telegram. Okay. It is what it is. If it goes in house against us, we lose money. As easy as that. That's trading. And this is we're going now to AUD USD is network. AUD pairs of traded so far. I even had to remove a pair last week from my watch list. That's a USD card because of damn. This network is crazy, guys. My network doesn't want to open my trading view. What the heck is going on? Damn. All right. Let me close the trading view and open it again. So guys, if you're joining me for the very first time and you're not subscribed to the channel, please show some love by subscribing. I really do appreciate that. Okay. I really do appreciate you subscribing to the channel. That will go a long way to help our academy. And that makes me to know that at least what I'm giving is helping someone. Okay, we are back on it. So let me share again. Okay, so this is AUD-USD, right? And looking at AUD-USD, I have a trade on this pair. I have a trade on this pair I took since last week, and it's very slow. Okay, it's very slow. But well, we have been in profit for The network today is crazy. So tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? And welcome to all those joining us now. So this is the actual trade we have, or we have on this pair, because it is still running. It's still open and running. So you notice we've been in profit since here. We came down when a little drawdown, but finally went back into massive profits. Okay, so I think we've touched all the pairs we have on our watch list. And if you have any question, you can really ask. The opportunity I just shared now, the sell opportunity, you should be in profits already. Okay, you should be in profits already because price is already moving in our direction. Yeah, price is already wigging out of this area, which means, whoa, it's possible for us to make money. Maybe, yeah, maybe. So that being said, I think we've come to the end of our today's session. Okay, I think we've come to the end of our today's session. And it's always great having you guys on set or having you guys here. And if you're not subscribed, please do not forget to show some love by subscribing. And stay tuned because we're coming back by 2 p.m. GMT +1. That's the opening of the London session or the New York session. So do not forget to join us during that time because we'll be breaking down a lot of stuff you did not know. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Stay blessed and see you on the next live.